keeping India's medal hopes alive at the Olympic Games in Paris, star shooter Manu Bhaker today qualified for the medal round of the women's 25-meter pistol event. Manu has finished second with a total score of 590 in the precision and rapid rounds, just 2 points behind Veronica Major of Hungary at the top. The Indian sharpshooter has already claimed 2 bronze medals in Paris. After securing a bronze in the women's 10-meter air pistol event last week, she teamed up with Sarabjot Singh to finish third in the mixed 10-meter air pistol event earlier this week. Now, the 22-year-old will look to create history by becoming the first Indian to clinch 3 medals at the same edition of the Olympic Games. Let me go across to my colleague Karishma, who's at Paris, and she has been tracking the Paris Olympic Games for us. Karishma, lots of excitement, I'm sure, there in Paris. Here in India, we're all looking forward to Manu's final match. When can we expect it? What are the preparations in place? You talked with Manu as well. How's she feeling?
Absolutely. Manu is in top form, and this is going to be her third final in the shooting event, 25-meter pistol. And remember, 25-meter pistol is Manu's favorite event as well. So one can expect a medal from her in this event as well, given the form that she has been in, the way she has qualified today in the second position. Obviously, she is going to be a favorite in this event as well. And she's been having a memorable Olympics, from creating history, winning the first medal in shooting, then going on to win the second bronze in shooting. And now we are, of course, going to be looking forward to a third medal from Manu Bhaker. There's a lot to look forward to today as well. We can talk about, Lakshya Sen. He's going to be playing in his quarterfinal match. He's the only hope for Indian badminton in Paris Olympics, so that is very important. I was tracking archery in the mixed team event. We are, leading versus Spain as of now, so that also can be a huge moment for India, because then they will try and win a medal in archery as well. That also hasn't happened in a long time, so it was a disappointing Thursday with just Swapnil Kusale being the silver lining, but we are looking forward, or inching at least closer to more and more medals.